Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, a big welcome to you. If you have your notification turned on this channel, welcome. So today's video, I just want to show you how I make my bulk jollof rice. So I had an order to deliver jollof rice for a birthday party, and I thought to film it and show you guys. So here I was washing my tomatoes, and I added salt to make sure I'm washing it properly, and proceeding to the next stage is me setting it out for grilling. So my jollof rice tomato mix, I usually want to roast it. Let me use that word, like roast it. You can roast it, you can put it in your oven, you can pan roast it. So here I was using my shawarma pan or my grilling pan, whichever one you call it, to do this and just enjoy. At this point, I had added my tomatoes, my tatashi, shombo, pepper, garlic, and here I was just, dripping a little bit of oil all over it, and I added some nutmeg. I grated it on top of it just to build my aroma and a bit of flavor. I also added fresh rosemary leaves before setting it out for grilling. When it comes to me and cooking, I'm a fan of using fresh herb, fresh spice, and just to give me the best of flavors and aroma. Here I was blending my herbs. Please take a look at this gorgeous grilled tomatoes. So Here the flavors, aromas, everything has built up, and I am going to blend it and have my paste. I added my fresh thyme and also added the dry thyme and allowed it to fry a bit with the oil. And I went into my tomato paste. I'm going to list the items I'm using on the screen just so you're following.
Moving with the